how to easily share a Word document. Sharing a document when the document is open in Microsoft Word 365 is easy. It's particularly useful when you're collaborating with colleagues to ensure there aren't several copies of the same document circulating, which is what can happen when copies are emailed. Let's have a look at how we do this. First of all, we need to go to the top right-hand corner of the Word window and click the drop arrow on Share. We have three different options here. Let's have a look at Share. This opens up and provides us with a variety of options for us to send this document as a Word document, or send a link, I should say, as a Word document. You can see here you have a hyperlinked option. Anyone with the link can edit. You can click this option and you can set different specifications. So you could specify certain people. You can choose whether they can edit or can only look at the file. You can also set an expiry date and a password, and of course you'd click apply to apply any of those. If I come back to Share, you can also choose to type in here the details, the email address of someone that you want to send this link to. And from here you can also click the drop arrow and choose the various options. Additionally, you can choose to simply copy the link and then just paste it into a Word document or a text message or any sort of message. You can choose to send a copy by selecting the option at the bottom, and you can choose to send it as a PDF or a Word document. If I click the three dots here, I can choose Manage Access. This allows me to look at who currently has access to this file and what they can do with it. Make any changes by clicking on one of them and choosing to remove direct access. Can close that down. From here I can go back to Share, I can copy the link, or I can open up my Manage Access option. So all these options available from Share enable you to quickly share or manage the access people have to your document. This is a handy feature of Word 365.